Now then, who's this lurking about in the undergrowth? Looking a bit furtive. Can you tell what it is yet? Is it a cuckoo? Good heavens, it's a partridge, and nobody's shot it yet.
Yes, in fact, as you've probably guessed from the title of the film, I'm a red-legged partridge.
Yes, these are not just partridges, they're red-legged partridges. They can be found in the eastern half of Great Britain. In the southern half of England, they have spread right across to the Welsh border. They are slightly bigger than the common grey partridge. They are said to be generally seen in small groups or coveys, but I've only ever seen them here as a pair. Like swans, they seem to operate as a pair. The young would normally stay with the family over the first winter. These birds are far too trusting for their own good, if you ask me. Now, we've recently had to reseed part of the lawn, and all I'm trying to do here is explain to these red-legged partridges that although I'm quite happy for them to come in the garden, I'd like them to just leave the seed alone, thank you. They can put on a bit of speed when they want to, but they don't seem to fly unless it's absolutely necessary. Okay, partridge, see you later.
See you at tea time.